News that we are breaking to you. The Delhi Assembly on Thursday passed a bill that make Delhi legislators the highest paid in the country now, more than doubling their package to 2,10,000 rupees from the earlier 88,000 rupees. If the bill is accepted by the centre, the basic salary of Delhi MLAs will increase fourfold to 50,000 rupees a month, putting them at par with the pay of members of parliament. This move for a party that fought the elections painting themselves as Aam Aadmis is quite shocking and has also set the stage for a political fight. Pooja Shelley is tracking more details for us. Pooja, at this point in time, of course, questions are going to be asked that was this kind of a hike necessary? What is the justification given by Aam Aadmi Party leaders for this kind of a decision?
Well, the controversy has been going on for a long time now, and the Aam Aadmi Party says this is not only for their party. Considering there are 70 MLAs, including 3 MLAs of the BJP as well. So this bill that goes by the name of Salaries, Allowances and Pensions Amendment Bill, that is in fact the short name of the bill. But most importantly, just to give you an exact picture of the increase that has happened from perhaps an 80 to 88,000 basic salary, they've to a whole salary per month, they've now shifted to 2,10,000, which also means it also excludes a travel allowance, which is going to be of 3 lakh rupees to travel abroad. In all, 2,10,000 per month for each MLA, including of the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, and of course a travel allowance as well, which was initially only to travel within the country, but now it is for abroad as well. Now the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, specifically when they had put forth this request, had said they do not have enough money to pay their staff members when they go and visit people, and perhaps they need to greet them. There needs to be enough money for that as well. There are staff and visitors constantly pouring into their offices to cater to stationery, to cater to their tea and coffee. All of this combined, they cannot take it out from their 88,000 salary, which was initially. Now, as of now, this stands for 5 years. This stands for one term. But how the Aam Aadmi Party will defend is, they will say that we did not decide this specific. There was an independent committee, including senior professionals, senior officials of government, which have worked formally with the government as well. They do know how the procedure works. They could understand the expenses, and they have decided to make these specifics. So that is going to be the defense. But of course, we do know that Congress, which does not have an MLA in the assembly, has decided to protest today. First, they will be meeting the Lieutenant Governor, Ajay Maken. They will be meeting the Lieutenant Governor at 11:30. Ajay Maken will then also do a protest with the Congress party outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence at 12:30. So considering as of now, yes, it needs an approval from the Ministry of Home Affairs, but with LG consistently meeting now, he's clearly going to receive more formal requests and cancellations from the Congress party. But the Congress party doesn't really have hold right now, considering the BJP is not objecting, because it is clearly also a part of this salary package.